There's certain criteria that Tiggo 9 needs to meet in terms of crash safety. Is the vehicle interior still in a structural rigidity? So look at our A pillar, the B pillar, and the C pillar have not deformed. The second level of protection is me being in the car with the airbags. So the airbags have deployed. The pre-tensioner on the safety lock has worked. That's the second level of safety on the vehicle that's going to protect the occupants. Okay, let's move to the third level. No fuel has leaks. Our fuel tanks are flexible. Then the last point is that the door handles have deployed. So I can access the vehicle in the front and the back. The hazard warning lights are still on the vehicle. So warning people approaching vehicles, pedestrians, that there is a hazard in play. So I'd like you, ladies and gentlemen, to give a round of applause to our Chery team, the engineers, the technicians that are bringing you all safer cars.